What's up guys, I'm here with another video. This video is going to be a bike check on my 2014 Kink launch bike. Let's go ahead and get started. So first up we got my frame, which is a 2014 Kink launch frame. Going down to the seat, I have a Mission Emerson combo seat. To the pedals we have the Odyssey Twisted PC pedals in red. My cranks, I have stock Mission cranks. Up to the fork, I have a gusset fork in black. I had to get this replaced because my stock Kink fork got bent. For the pegs, I'm running Black Ops chromoly pegs. They slide really well. For my tires, I'm running Odyssey Aaron Ross signature tires. For the front wheel, I am running the Mission X7 with a Mission Echo hub. Up to the stem, I am running a Kink Bold FLD. Bars, I have the Kink Lynx CC bars. They're 8.25 inch rise. For the grips, I have the ODI long neck grips. For the back wheel, I am running a Alien Nation Black Sheep rim and a Mission Intrepid hub. I'm also running the Odyssey Aaron Ross tire. For the chain, I'm just running a stock chain that came on my bike. I don't even know what it is. Going back to the stem, for my headset, I have a Mission integrated headset. So guys, that's my bike. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the future. Peace.